Hi guys, welcome back to my channel DI Tech Creator. Guys, today's in this video I am going to share how to track your lost smartphone or lost tablet. So let's watch the full video how to track your smartphone. So you can see this is a PC. I am tracking from this PC. You can also use your smartphone also. So open the google.com and sign in. So guys, if you want to track this device, you must sign in, which is you sign in your Google with this Gmail ID and password in the same also this PC also. So type the find my device. So you can see guys, there are 4 devices with this email ID. So guys, this one and this one is not in tower. You can see guys, 2 minutes ago via just last seen just now. Airtel is the service provider. 1% is battery remaining. You can see the location is here. You can see play the sound. You can play the sound. You can rescue the device also. You can erase the device data also. So play the sound. Connecting, you can see still not connected. So stop it again. Net is working slowly, you can see. %, 4G. 3 minutes ago, you can see guys in this position. You can see guys, the smartphone is play the sound. Stop. You can see guys, stop, play, stop. So guys, you can see if you want to track this smartphone, you can see Samsung J7. So you can see this smartphone is logged in with this email ID. You can see guys. So login is the same same email ID and password. Here I am login. You can see guys. I want to take this device. You can see guys. So add an account. You can see guys, in same email ID I will log it in. You can see guys, this is J7. 81%. You can see this is the 81%. You can see guys, this is the 81% battery. So you can play the sound. You can see stop, play, stop. So mobile is here. You can see mobile is here. The smartphone is in this area. You can see. So you can also track this mobile also. You can see guys, 41% smartphone is here. You can see. Stop. When device is located, you can see there is one message. You can see guys, this smartphone is here. So if it is not possible to tracking, so guys, you can also track your this camera also. This camera also you can access from your device, your smartphone to this smartphone camera. So friends, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for notification. So guys, now I am tracking from Samsung J7 Pro to this Lenovo K5. So I will track this Lenovo K5's back camera and front camera. You can see. Now I am tracking from J7. I'm opening these apps. You can see guys. This is the front camera. This is the back camera. You can see guys. That work is slow, working very slowly. You can see guys. Now front camera. This is the front camera. You can see guys. This is the front camera. This is remote control. You can also now back camera. You can see. So you can also track the location also. So you can talk with this smartphone. Hello, 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 hello. You can hear. You can record also. So guys, how to track the camera, smartphone camera from your smartphone? So let's see. For tracking the smartphone camera, you need to install. So go to the Play Store. Write the TrackView. You can see I am already installed these apps. Open. You need to open with same ID, email ID and password. With your Gmail ID and password. You can see I am already logged in. This is the back camera. This is the front camera. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like, comment and share to your friends also. Guys, if you lost your smartphone, in this way you can track your smartphone. Thank you guys.